still here. The fire burns for every name, carried on the wind, for the sisters taken in the night, who never made it in, for the red dresses hanging still in the morning air, for the footsteps that were silenced, and the unanswered prayers, for the children sent away in trains, with blades cut from their heads, for the language beaten from their tongues, for tears they never shed, for the mothers who were told, you are not fit to raise your own, for the hands that reached for babies and came home alone. They didn't make it home, but they are not gone. The drum still speaks, their heartbeat it carries them on. They didn't make it home, but we rise in their name. Every tear, every flame, we are still here. For the brothers lost to battles, for the sisters lost to pain, for the ones who fought their battles and couldn't fight again, for the system built to break us, for the silence, for the lies, for every soul who left too soon. Earth is stolen, skies. You tried to bury us in shame. You tried to erase our song, but the roots go deeper than your walls, and they have always been strong. They didn't make it home, but they walked beside us still in the drawn in